Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how we renovated our backyard and flipped it into something amazing. We started by renting the equipment that we're using here right now to take off the grass. As you can see, hubby was busy taking off all the grass because the plan was to change the whole backyard into something beautiful, guys. This was really tedious, as you can see, guys. He used this machine that we rented from Home Depot to take every grass out, and look at me here as a good wife. I was assisting to make sure that I take off the grass, separate the grass from the sand, and put them inside the garbage bag. It was a beautiful experience, guys. It was teamwork and it really played out very well. After taking the grass out, this is what it looked like. So we just had sand left, okay? After taking the whole grass out, this is what it looks like. The next stage, guys, was to now start the construction of the deck. So we got all the wood from Home Depot, and as you can see here, the construction of the deck already started here. I just decided to take a video to show you what it looked like while the deck was being constructed. After constructing the deck, we poured about a quarter load of gravel all over the backyard and then introduced the artificial grass. As you can see here, hubby was just busy installing the artificial grass all over the backyard. Guys, the backyard was already turning around into something beautiful, into something cozy that we always wanted, guys. The whole backyard renovation took us about a week, from buying the materials from Home Depot, taking off the grass, installing the deck, pouring the gravel all over the backyard, and then finally installing the artificial grass. It took us about a week to complete. Okay, so this is like almost the final stage. You can see me here helping out with unwrapping the artificial grass to help before hubby started installing it on the backyard. Like, I was so excited because finally I'm gonna have a cozy backyard where I can sit down and like unwind and just relax in the comfort of my home, you know, to enjoy the summer. I always wanted to have a beautiful backyard. I always wanted to have somewhere I can sit down and just relax. Okay, so here the hubby was just doing the finishing touches, everybody just looking at him and seeing how everything was looking good already. Everything was just turning out perfect, just like we anticipated. So here we go, guys. This is the final outcome of the backyard. It is beautiful, it is cozy, it is simple, it is classy, and the perfect thing we wanted. What do you think? What do you think about our new backyard, guys? I love it. Like, I love it. Everybody now wants to just go outside to the backyard and relax because it's looking so beautiful. Like, it's just calling us to come outside and enjoy the sunshine. All right, so this is what the hard work turned out to be. I really love it. I really love it, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Rate us from 1 to 100% and tell me what you think about the backyard. Thank you so much. Bye.